SOHO Hardware is a shop that has been in the business of selling plumbing items for over 30 years. They specialize in pipes for water, sewerage, sanitation, firefighting, and agriculture. They have successfully completed over 10,000 projects in Malaysia and have replaced over 500 kilometers of old pipes with new technology pipes. Types of plumbing items. Plumbing items come in many shapes and sizes. Popular plumbing items include pipes, valves, fittings, and fixtures. These items are used to construct and maintain plumbing systems in homes and businesses. Benefits of using plumbing items from SOHO Hardware. The benefits of using plumbing items from SOHO Hardware include quality, variety, and expertise.
Hi, my name is Goshen Lim. I'm the Managing Director of SOHO Plumbing and Hardware Senyap Berhad. We provide solutions and services for plumbing, sewerage, sanitary, firefighting, and agriculture. For more than 30 years of experience, I attach great importance to customer satisfaction. Therefore, we provide professional training to ensure close cooperation between the team in order to be more productive and complete the tasks. I believe with continuous serving customer satisfaction, the company will grow rapidly within Malaysia and other countries.
Introducing each department at SOHO Plumbing. Support team. Check stock. Team sales. Team marketing. Accounting and Human Resources. Welding team.